kill pests naturally in your garden with just 2 natural ingredients. What I love about using this natural pesticide, you can eat your edible plants. Just wash and eat. You don't have to wait for days to consume.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.
Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. Now, I always get the question, what do you use for pests? No, I've been using several things over the years for pests, and then I just resort to one thing, and that one thing is garlic water. What I do is make it as strong as I possibly can. Now, recent times I've added this marigold to my garlic water. So right here I have this marigold and garlic water, yes, and it works well on my plants. In recent times, for those who have been following me, you realize that I lost my zucchini plants to pests, and that's just because I was back and forth, up and down. I didn't pay attention to it much because every day I was like, alright, I'll deal with it tomorrow. Alright, I'll deal with it tomorrow. So it's inevitable sometimes things like that happen, but I mean, I beat myself. I blame myself. I think I could have done better, but you live and you learn. And it happens sometimes in the garden. You win some and you lose some, right? Yeah. So what I do is get the marigold. I get some of the flowers. You can see I have this beautiful plant right here. I get some of the flowers as well as some of the plant itself. And so I boil the flowers, I boil the plant itself along with the stems. Alright, marigold is a very strong deterrent. Marigold deters a lot of pests in your garden because they don't like the smell of it. Not all of them, no, you know, some of them. The garlic, the pests, they don't like the strong smell of garlic. So yeah, if the marigold don't catch some of them, the garlic will. So why not put both of them together and just make it happen? So both of them together is an extra force right there. How I came by this, I will take you right to it. Alright, so these are the marigolds that I got from my garden. You can see I have some leaves with stem. They look a little withered because I got them from last night. I wanted to do this from last night, but anywho, so they have some stems on them with the leaves, and I got some of the blooms as well. And here I have 2 heads of garlics right here, and I stripped them and crushed them already. So this pot right here that I'm going to use, it is a 3-quart pot. I'm going to fill it with water, put the garlics in, let them boil. When it comes to a boil, then I will add the marigolds. When the water came to a boil, I just added the marigolds. So I let them continue to boil for maybe 20 minutes. So now I'm going to strain and let it cool to be able to use on my plants. Alright, so I'm about to strain this again. If you notice in the bottom of the container, you can see all those fine particles there, because I don't want, when I am spraying, anything blocking my sprayer hole. Everybody waking up. So I'm using this fine strainer or find a whole strainer to eliminate all of that. What I could have done is throw off the top, but it didn't came to mind because I already had in mind to strain, so that's how it is sometimes. So this baby right here will do some magic. Alright, so I'm basically just going to load up my spray bottle right here and get to it. Now, as I do this, there's another way to this. Instead of boiling, you can actually ferment it. So what you can do is crush the garlic just the same, and you put some marigold in water and you let it ferment at least 24 hours and you get on your way. But because I want it now, I don't want to wait, so I'll go ahead and boil it and wait a little for it to cool, and it's ready for me. So if you wish, you can also do it that way. Kindly asking you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet done so that others can come along, join me on this journey, and allow the YouTube algorithm to put my video out there so others can get some inspiration. Thank you so much in advance, and God bless you all. Ready. Of course, when you spray your plants, you want to ensure that you do the under leaves as well, because that is where most of the times the pests are, right? So you want to ensure that you're not in any hurry when you are treating your plants, because it makes no sense you run through quickly and don't do it properly. Then you're going to say, oh, it is not working. You just have to spend enough time and do what you have to do. Alright, so what I love about using this natural let me stop it. What I love about using this natural pesticide, you can eat your edible plants. Just wash and eat. You don't have to wait for days to consume. Marigold and garlic is non-toxic to human consumption, so therefore they are safe to use. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet Jamaica. Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live, sweet Jamaica.